Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can place your images, your project images in the real lifestyle mockups. Now, in order to do it, just simply any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser in my Windows laptop, now here I have to search for mockupeditor.com. You can see the right spelling over there. Just simply write this URL and hit enter. Once you do that, wait for the page to get loads. Now here it says no sign up required. Right? Yes, let's hit try now. Once I do that, you can see various mockup templates are available for me. I just need to open any of them, any of the desired one. For example, if I open this one, now here it will ask me to upload my image. For example, if I upload this image and hit use image, now you can see the image has been uploaded to the mockup. I can use them infinitely and they all are free to use. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.